Hi everyone, this is Simran from Pink and Line. We're back once again to showcase ready-to-wear festive pieces which you can shop comfortably sitting at home. These are very practical pieces which you can wear on a daily basis or on a semi-formal occasion, and they're easy on pocket and easy on maintenance. Let's get started. The first style that we have for today is a muslin kurta with little bit of embroidery which has been done on the first half of the kurta. It's in a teal color with foil printing and this sort of thread work that has been done with mirror work. This particular kurta is priced at $9.95 and is available in size 38, 40, 42 and 44. The second kurta that we have is also in muslin fabric. You can team it up with cigarette fit pants, palazzo. It has smart detailing on the sleeves. This sort of handwork which has been done on the neck. And little bit of highlight which has been done on the kurta print. This particular style is priced at $11.95. Sizes 38 to size 44 is available. Another kurta that we have is this pretty mustard with highlight that has been done on the print. There is handwork detailing. It's a nice panel print. Mustard with blue kind of contrast foil print and priced at $12.95 only. Sizes 38 to size 44 is available. Moving on, these are some semi-formal kind of pieces which you can wear to your office or an everyday basis. This is on chanderi fabric with beautiful embroidery which has been done on the yoke. It's nice gota work with handwork which has been done to highlight the yoke. It's on a royal blue color with straight fit pants in cotton silk fabric and a soft chanderi dupatta to go with it. This particular style is priced at $20.95. Sizes 38, 40, 42 and 44 is available. It has this kind of print that has been done at the bottom. Another similar style that we have in chanderi print is on black color with beautiful handwork which has been done on the neck. There is highlight with pink, gota work, kardana work. It's a nice digital print which has been done with straight fit cotton pants, cotton silk pants in black color and this sort of a printed soft chanderi dupatta to go with it. The dupatta also has a printed border to it. This particular style is priced at $20.95. Sizes 38, 40, 42 and 44 is available. Moving on, a lot of you had inquired about winter fabric, so we've got winter collection now. This is on silk velvet, black color with this sort of handwork detailing that has been done on the neck. It's nice and subtle. It's a two-piece set with a kurta and this sort of straight fit silk velvet pants to go with it. The pants also have similar kind of embroidery which has been done at the bottom. This particular set is priced at $24.95. Size 38, 40, 42 and 44 is available. The next chanderi coordinate that we have is on a soft orange color. It's a it's a bandhani print with this sort of embroidery that has been done in the front. It has a gota panel, mirror work detailing with zari embroidery. The kurta also has gota kinari which has been put up on the slits and on the sleeves. It is teamed with straight fit cotton pants in the same soft orange color and a beautifully printed soft chanderi dupatta with this sort of tassels or latkans in the corner. It's nicely finished with gota kingri and this particular set is priced at $1995. Sizes 38, 40, 42 and 44 is available. The next style that we have is on rayon cotton. It's a kaftan coordinate with this sort of gota work, tassel detailing on the neck. It has these sort of latkans also in the front. You can see the embroidery up close. This is actual real mirror work with gota patti and tassel detailing. The side of the kaftan has these gota lines running all over them with this sort of crochet lace. This is teamed with straight fit cotton pants, and the pants also have smart lace detailing on the calf as well as at the bottom of the pants. This particular coordinate is priced at 2795. Sizes 38, 40, 42 and 44 is available. Another smart style for our kaftan lovers is this blue with white combination kaftan coordinate with real mirror work. Another smart style for our kaftan lovers is this blue and white kaftan coordinate. It's a two-piece set with this sort of mirror work which has been done on the neck, gota detailing, thread work. The kaftan has tassels on all sides with this sort of gota lines running all over. And it is teamed with straight fit cotton pants with similar kind of tassel detailing and gota lines. This particular set is also priced at 2750. Sizes 38, 40, 42 and 44 is available. We are back with bandhani prints because we were getting crazy number of orders on them. This is an anarkali in an angrakha style on soft pink color with this sort of gota work, detailing, mirror work that has been done on the neck. It has these kind of smart tassels on the side just for the fun element. It's a look of an angrakha. The sleeves also are finished nicely with gota lines and gota kinari. It is teamed with straight fit cotton pants. The pants also are finished with gota lines and kinari. And it has a soft malmal cotton bandhani dupatta. The dupatta is also finished very well with gota kingri and has this sort of contrast printed bandhani print on all four sides. This particular set is priced at 1895. Sizes 38, 40, 42 and 44 is available. The next style that we have is back on popular demand. It is a two-piece coordinate with a smart potli to it. It is a hand block printed angrakha style. This is the inner with this sort of detailing at the bottom. It has so many gota lines and gota border. It is teamed with angrakha style jacket, which is again hand block printed with these latkans and this sort of smart detailing. This particular set is teamed with this sort of a potli bag. The price for this is 3995. Sizes 38, 40, 42 and 44 is available. It has a decent amount of flare to it. The next style that we have are these Garara coordinates which we have shown previously also. This was a wine color for which we got an amazing response, and now it's repeated in a nice royal blue color. It's a straight fit kurta with these sort of gota lines which go all over on the kurta. It is teamed with this sort of a tiered Garara in nice wine color with assortment of prints. The Garara has a decent amount of flare to it and has a malmal cotton dupatta with a nice border and edging to it. This particular coordinate is priced at 1895. Sizes 38, 40, 42 and 44 is available. Now it's also available in a blue color. Similar kind of tiered Garara with a decent amount of flare. A straight fit kurta with gota lines running all over the print. And a soft malmal cotton dupatta with nice detailing on the edges of the dupatta. Priced at 1895. Sizes 38, 40, 42 and 44 is available. The next style that we have today is something new. This is also a Garara coordinate with a short anarkali. The anarkali has this sort of yoke detailing, which is handwork gota that has been put up with these sort of gota lines and a gota panel. The sleeves of the kurta has this sort of detailing. It is teamed with a tiered garara which has gota lines on it, and a chiffon dupatta which is also finished with gota lines. It's on a very nice hot pink kind of color, priced at 2795. Sizes 38, 40, 42 and 44 is available. The style is also finished with these cute latkans in the front, which adds a fun element to the garment.